And now weather with Doug Iverson on KPVI News 6, your news source for East Idaho.
Mostly cloudy day over the Gem State. Some areas cloudier than others, and some areas picking up some precipitation in the form of rain over in the Boise area. Raining in the Magic Valley area. We got snow just north of Shoshone, and then once it reaches Timmerman Hills south of Bellevue, it turns to all snow all the way to Haley. And the snow is rushing into eastern Idaho, so it's just to the west of American Falls, northwest of Aberdeen. It's headed your way. All this will keep us going all night long with another batch behind that for early tomorrow morning. 29 right now in Pocatello, 22 in Idaho Falls. The wind not a big deal for the moment, but once that front, well, I'll show you where the front's at, but once it gets closer, the wind will start picking up. There's the precipitation. The front's still back here, but it's a fast-moving front. By tomorrow this time, the front will already be into Colorado. And being that it's so fast, it's going to pack a lot of wind with it. And this storm is basically, at least in the Snake River Plain, a nighttime storm. We may have snow up to about sunrise tomorrow, but then that's about it. A few junky clouds around for most of the day, a little bit of sunshine later on. And we'll get some significant snowfall for some of the mountains. In fact, the Tetons could end up with over a foot, maybe a foot and a half of snow by the time the storm moves on out. So tonight's forecast, definitely snowy and then windy overnight. Snowfall, and it doesn't snow evenly. If you've lived here long enough, you know that. 1 to 4 inches possible in the lower plain. 25 in Blackfoot, 27 in American Falls. Now for the upper plain, 1 to 4 inches. I think Rexburg, St. Anthony, you folks, 4, maybe pushing 5 up around St. Anthony out of this storm overnight early tomorrow morning. And then for the mountains and highlands, snow for everyone. Snowfall will range anywhere from 1 to 6 inches. And then we have snow for some areas during the day. So do Springs, Driggs, and Jackson. And those areas could get an additional trace to 3 inches. So definitely a snow storm for a part of Saturday, especially off towards the east. Now for the upper plain, mostly cloudy, a little bit of sunshine, still some wind, but not quite as strong as it will be late tonight, early tomorrow morning. 29 for high in Idaho Falls. For Pocatello, cloudy in the morning for sure, some sunshine later in the day. It will be breezy. 35 for high in the Gate City, so we'll get above freezing. So the snow we get will be of the wet variety, similar to what we had just earlier this week. Almost an identical type of storm. It's in and out of here real quick. Sunday, partly sunny, 34 for high. Monday, we cloud up and there's a small chance of snow, and then we see a little more sunshine Tuesday. And as the week progresses, we see even more and more sunshine as we get closer to the end of the month. Now, your Idaho Falls 6-day forecast. Mostly cloudy all weekend long. It'll be a bit colder Sunday with a high of only 25, low Sunday morning at 12. And then cloudy on Monday with a small chance of snow. Temperatures staying under the freezing mark for the next 6 days. Look at that, 8 for a low Wednesday morning. Brainstormers tonight, true or false? So far this month, Idaho Falls has received less snow than Pocatello.
I'm going to take a stab, and I'm going to say false.
You're going to say false?
Yep.
Correct answer is... Good job. At Pocatello, 3.5 inches. Idaho Falls also 3.5 inches. So
okay.
There you go.
Almost a trick question.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, Doug.